In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the latest King's Choice mod menu for free, fully working on both iOS and Android devices. This method gives you access to powerful in-game features, including unlimited gold and money across both platforms. As you can see on your screen, this King's Choice mod menu unlocks a wide range of features. These include Lunar Blessing, unlimited gold and money, unlocked all, dynastic rulers, and many more advanced options that significantly enhance gameplay. Before getting started, make sure your King's Choice game is updated to the latest version. To check this, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for King's Choice, and install any available updates. Once your game is fully updated, you're ready to move on. Head over to the pinned comment below where I explain step-by-step how to get King's Choice Double Plus. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.